Ever heard a strange sound that seems to echo around the world? In cities like Taos, Bristol, and Auckland, many report a low-frequency hum. Some say it's like a distant engine, others find it irritating. Scientists have proposed theories, from industrial noise to seismic activity. Yet no definitive cause has been identified. Some believe it's natural, while others suspect secret projects or alien signals. The phenomenon spans across continents, connecting people through mystery. What if this hum is a message from beyond? Have you ever experienced the hum? Share your story and let's uncover the truth together. Where did you hear it and what did it sound like? Join the conversation in the comments below.